Pull up a new style and them can't deny the price. But I will put in Sagwan, you can't say goodbye. Girl about the tight, hold me down and make me biter. Man, I talk about real estate, me can't deny you fight me fight. Yeah, man, I'm blessed in case you don't know this, the man materially, aka make for my name here. Well, bless the love. Yeah, man, me go out by the name Material, the winner of MTN Hitmaker Season 1. Bless it, don't know. What? Yeah. Material. I'm a reggae dancehall artist, alongside Afrobeat. Growing up, this has been, one of the dreams that I really wanted to attain in my whole life, even when I was in school. So, attaining this objective, I have really had all my expectations, and becoming an artist is one of the greatest things every underground artist would love to achieve in his life. So, being Material and now knowing in the industry has given me the biggest opportunity in my life. I've met, great people. I've been connected to a whole lot of people that can really help me uplift my career. I'm really studying because this industry has been some way for a very long time, and the kind of style that I'm portraying, I'm really looking at the international market. But first and foremost, I have selected artists that I really support in this industry. Someone like Shatta Wale, Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, and some few. So I think for now, if I have to select, I'm an SM fan. So girl, I promise very soon I will wear the crown. So baby, Popcorn, Alkaline, Jamil, and some few others as well. Would you come back and marry me? My most outstanding moments, I would say, each time I get to the studio, the kind of inspirations I have and the kind of music I portray on my rhythms, serving my fans, all the best has become one of my beautiful moments. I lost my parents because when I was in the Hitmaker show in 2012, I lost my dad before I won the competition. But then moving on, some few months ago, I think 4 months ago, I lost my mom, and this has become one of my tragic moments in my life, and I always think about that. It really brings me down. I'm gonna be on the international markets because my style of music is very unique to the extent that it attracts the international market, and we are on the process of approaching. Would you come back and marry me? Would you come back and marry me? The Marry Me song itself is about not just marrying a woman, but I'm getting married to my career, which the hit songs I formerly had, I want those hit songs to come back for me, to marry me. So it's a promise to my fans that Marry Me is a song that portrays Material's career. I'm back to marry my song. So as you can see, I'm here for good, and I'm marrying my career. Material on this one, can we come back again? Well then, I will only ya domo shima shebo kashegbe ni somo no ke hami keje blame hani mi shebo boka yo keje blame it make ani mi wo badole ni ke bo back pa jefe ni mi ba hama bi elebo komo keje be no shimi o te ma bi ke na ti de o no anamelia ke afine kakala ba fodade ani ma wo boga kuna kashimi pa kuna melia ke afine na ti ba wo boga. Well, would you come back and marry me? Yeah. Well, oh my baby, oh someone no come for me, yeah. My lady, would you come back and marry me, yeah, girl? Oh my baby, well, oh someone no come for me, yeah. My lady, and I'm like a Holy Ghost for warrior calabacha. Nina canoni was so mobile, metamarabata. Someone a weko me flick your toma putumpata. Nimiba wopo shake show someone like a chacha. So baby, cool it down. I am here to hold you down. I'm the best among the rest. I be the beauty sound. Girl, your body nice. Please would you compromise for my career? I promise I will do it nice. See the way they pull me down. Baby, never frown. Girl, I promise very soon I will wear the crown. So baby, I'm in town. I am here to hold you down. I fight for what belongs to me. I'll never give up now. So me sing, would you come back and marry me, yeah, girl? Oh my baby, oh someone no come for me, yeah. Oh my lady, would you come back and marry me, yeah, girl? Oh my baby, oh someone no come for me, yeah. Watch out now. Well, pull up a new style and them can't deny the price. But I will parties are gone, you cannot say goodbye. Girl, your body tight, hold me down and make me bite her. When I talk about real estate, me can't deny your fight, me fight. My baby stand at this and me can't play with your love like this. Cause the rest of them, they want trouble, they want chop a beef. See man, I come call them, we don't watch no boy again. So baby, hold your temper, all these people are just a fish. I am the best among the rest, me can't never deny. Cause me play this beat for you, coming up bass time. Killing every style, killing every bad mind. Cause me set me train again, them now go hold me down. Not to say, will you come back and marry me, yeah, girl? Oh my baby, oh someone there no come for me, yeah. My lady, well, would you come back and marry me, yeah, girl? Oh my baby, oh someone there no come for me, yeah. Not really, Pussy G on the mix, watch her now, don't know. Yeah man, the big shouts to Lives Entertainment in case you don't know. But they are serially blessed, don't know. Well.